So here we are gonna discuss about dollar index. So dollar index had a very good run from August. Yeah, from 1st August to 3rd October. At this moment, dollar index is going down. So at this moment, I don't think so. We should buy dollar index. We will looking for shorting the dollar index. So personally, so far I remember the contract expires on 14th December on dollar index. So there will be some volatility. That's why I think we have next month non-farm payroll data, we have inflation data. So these data are gonna affect on dollar index a lot this time this month. So yeah, so at this moment dollar is in a downtrend. So don't buy it. I think it's not a buy at this moment. We'll look for a shorting opportunities every time it goes up. We'll try to find a shorting opportunity on dollar index. We're gonna see it's a daily chart. We're gonna see on 4-hour chart. Yeah, still it's a downtrend for our chart. On a 1-hour chart, it's trying to have some support, but it's a very weak. In my point of view, it's a very weak signal for having a buy from this place. Anyway, we're gonna look for swing trade. So we're gonna follow day chart and 4-hour charts. So there is no signal at this moment. Shorting, buy or sell. We're gonna be, if it goes up, we'll try to make some short position, have some short position on that. But still, in my personal opinion, no, we should not take any trade at this moment because the trade actually confirmed at more or less it was 7th November or maybe 9 or 10th November. It was the sell signal, so confirmed. So if we take a short here and it will go up, so we'll lose like it will hit to the stop loss level, I think. So we should avoid at this moment and any kind of trade on this chart. But yes, the final decision is like for me, dollar index is going down, so we'll try to have some short position, but not at this moment. We can see here today's best performing currency was Chinese yuan, Singaporean dollar, more or less Japanese yen. They did very well today. And the weakest currency was more or less it was Australian dollar today. I'm gonna check confirm again. Just 1 second. I'm gonna check it. Due to copyright issue, we can't show everything on online. So just 1 second. Uh, so main currencies like Euro, USD, OD, British pound, New Zealand dollar, CAD, franc, Japanese yen. I'm gonna tell these eight currencies are main currencies. So in these main currencies today, the best performing currency was Japanese yen. Second performing currency was euro. Third is Australian dollar, and the weakest currency was today like Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar. In the beginning of the day, New Zealand dollar did very well because it was a New Zealand dollar central bank decision. So we can check it here. Just 1 second. New Zealand dollar. So economic calendar. Yeah, in European time, in 3 o'clock in the night, they had a press conference from Central Bank of New Zealand, and they had 2 o'clock in the night in European time. In it means Germany time. New Zealand dollar interest rate was 5.5. Previously it was 5.5, forecast was 5.5, and actual was 5.5. So no interest rate hike or cut in this meeting. As we can see here, they're holding the interest rate from 24th May to 29th November. So they are holding for long time, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at least they are holding the same interest level. So it's good for New Zealand currency because you know if the currency, if the interest rate goes up, so it is not good for the economy because economic contracts, so inflation goes down. So that's why if they are holding it to reduce the inflation, so it was a good decision, I think. Inflation is going down also in New Zealand, so yeah. So that was the for dollar chart, and for other currencies also we can see, yeah, New Zealand dollar, Hong Kong dollar, Asian currencies actually did very well today, in my point of view. So that's it. We have discussed about currency, especially on dollar index. So for tomorrow, we have some important data, I think, on dollar index. We have tomorrow. Tomorrow we have Canadian dollar GDP, very important data for Canadian dollar, and PCE price. PCE, very important data for US dollar. PCE is going down, down, down. So we can see some more downtrend if the PCE goes down tomorrow, like it was previously 3.7, forecast is 3.5, and if it goes like 3.5 or a little bit less, like 3.4, 3.3, the US dollar will go down. We will see some selling pressure on US dollar. So yeah, tomorrow, in my point of view, US dollar is not going to be very strong tomorrow. Yeah, in the early, before the news, we can see some strong movement, but it will be very weak in my point of view. If the data goes like 3.5, we will maybe I think we'll see a dollar sell from London session and American session also, North American session. Yeah, that's it for today about dollar index analysis.